Assalamualaikum, my YouTube friends and family. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel, Lifestyle with Tia. Today I'm gonna share a few clips of my son's 4th birthday party event. The theme of the party is Rockstar, and all the things that I used in it to make my event last are very economical and low cost. As you can see in these clips, according to the theme, I chose color red, black and gold in it. And whatsoever I have used, I will just gonna show you at the end of the video from where I bought these things and what are their prices. And here comes the Rockstar themed fondant cake. At the top I used balloons, and all the balloons in a row I used red, black and gold. And at the top on the ceiling there were transparent balloons with of golden circles in it, and golden curled ribbon is hanging with the balloons. Here is a big clear image of that in which you can see the backdrop. Here I have used the golden spray to make the dancing effect on the backdrop seen here. First I took the print of pop singer images. After cutting the pictures, I placed them here at the backdrop and I did golden spray on them. Now here comes the hula hoop. I turned the hula hoop into a picture frame. I pasted the pictures with the help of masking tape attached to it vertically on it. There are some stars at the door and one of the stars is there at the backdrop. And this cabinet I turned into the stickers. And now here the last moment, the ending moment of the party. I pasted the golden strips on the both ends of the backdrop, and beside that there are five speakers of junky funky colors. In the center there is a guitar made of cotton, and the dancing shadows are under it. Here you can see, related to the theme, I kept the red jelly in the transparent glasses, and there are few biscuits on cake base, giving the effect of TDs. Now you can see, in this picture the spoons are wrapped in the napkin, and further I'm going to tell you how I did it. I hang the photo frames and the dancing images with the table. On the lower table there are cones made of brown construction paper. In that I put some popcorns. The base I prepared with the box wrapped with the silver paper. Now you can see the image from the side of the table how it looks like. Clip you can see the cupcake holder. Now here at the top and at the bottom I kept the muffins on it, and in the center I kept Oreo biscuit to give the impact of the CDs. You can see now again in detail, and I'm going to tell you how I made this cupcake holder. I bought the photo frame of around 7 reals from the shop. These are very colorful and there are pegs on them for hanging with the string. Here is birthday banner. This birthday banner with the string I got for 4 reals from the shop. Here are the glitter bottom candles, and the price is still mentioned on that because I just kept them for decoration. I took number 4 as cake prop because my son turned 4 this year, so 5 reals. Here comes the goodie bags. I bought the goodie bags from the shop for 7 reals. And the guitar with the golden foaming sheet that was the sticky from the back side. I made the guitars and placed them here in front of them to give the impact of the rock star. I did golden spray on guitars, as you can see here. Here comes the golden candles for cake. The small candles I bought for 3 reals. I bought this bandana for 5 reals for my rock star, and this number 4 again for 5 reals. I made a roll for the napkins with the silver wrapping sheet. Here it is. These are the pop stars printout that I was telling you before. I cut them out, and after turning them on the background, I just did golden spray on them like this. See? Now you can see the close-up of the cutlery that I wrapped in a napkin. It's the clear view of that. I'm going to tell you how I did that. This is the roll. I pasted a golden glitter star on it. Here comes the way how I fold this napkin. For the backdrop, I took the empty carton of LED. I cut that from the center, and here it is. I kept tape in the gaps of it. Comes a close-up of guitar. Why I mentioned 2020 on it, I will tell you later. See how I made the speakers. On the black paper, I kept the circles like this with the colored A4 sheets. I did my color hairsprays on them to give a funky look. Now I'm going to show you why I mentioned 2020 on this guitar. Because as I'm a teacher, so in my school I was having the graduation party of Montessori. So in class party I mentioned congrats grads on this backdrop and pasted some caps, graduation caps. Some of the caps are still here. I pasted some thermopol glittered star here on it, and this is the way how I carry it. I can fold it from both sides, one after another in this way, and I made a holder to hold this backdrop easily. This is the way I utilize my backdrop in different ways. I hope you enjoyed and liked the way I celebrated my son's birthday. The things that I used in it were very low cost. So make sure whenever you're gonna start to arrange any birthday party or any event, to visit your nearby shops, especially like 5 reals, 10 reals or $1 shop. You can get maximum material from there. You can see now some clips of my class, especially the backdrop. It's clear now. And if you're going to put this much effort to make your event successful, please try to reuse your material like I did. Thank you so much for watching.